Charlie and I went up to the Jefferson, Texas general store. It's just really cool. I'd show you a little bit of video of it. And Jefferson, Texas has all kinds of cool stuff. But they have this candy store that specializes in selling old stuff that you don't see made anymore. Well, obviously they're made if they have them. But, big stores don't carry it anymore. And they also carry stuff that is just, small little companies that make candy. So let me show you what I got. Let me shut this off and get everything out of here. Well, because I've been sick and I got some mechanical issues, I'm very limited as to what I can eat. And none of this is rice, potatoes, or Jell-O. So I contacted YouTube, and they put me in touch with YouTube's official taste tester. And I'm going to be sending him all these things and see what he thinks about them. This is, I love onions. I love onions. And I like mustard. But this is just not going to happen for me. So we'll see how that tastes. Fire roasted habanero. And this is made locally for this general store, the Jefferson, Texas general store. These are just Boston baked beans. You can still get these. But where are these made? Let me see where these are made. Am I missing it? Are they actually made in Boston? Oh, well, that I don't know. This is made in Minnesota, I believe. Yeah, St. Paul, Minnesota. And that's called a Nut Goody. See, you would never see this. This, I believe, is made in Lufkin, Texas. This is made in Altoona, Pennsylvania. And that is a smoothie peanut butter cups, butterscotch flavor. Now, maybe this is the one that's made in Lufkin. Come on. Yeah, Lufkin, Texas, just down the street from me. And that's called a Coconut Long Boy. Made in USA. And this is made in Australia. Right from Australia. Violet Crumble. And I saw where this was made. I can't remember where. There it is. Miriam, Kansas. And this is made in Idaho. This is called Idaho Spud. And it's made in Idaho. Boise, Idaho. Okay, I'm going to send these off today. I got to go to the doctor again today. And I just got a text message. My wife and I both have to have CAT scans. And at the exact same place, husband and wife, they scheduled her for 8 a.m. and me for 3 p.m. So that's not going to work. But I'll just go with her, and I'm sure they'll see me quick enough. Because this is a new place over in Bossier City. Then they really, really do a good job over there. So today I'm going to get my ultrasound to see if I'm pregnant. So we'll keep you up to date. Just in case, I don't think I mentioned it, the official YouTube taste tester is Salty Shellback. And I'm going to live vicariously through his taste buds. So maybe we'll see him work this into his busy taste testing schedule.